Hello friends, in this video we will see how to download and install FreeBSD on our Windows 10 operating system using Oracle VirtualBox. The process is very simple. You need to first download Oracle VirtualBox. You should go to your favorite browser and type Oracle VirtualBox for Windows. The first link that will appear on your screen will be from virtualbox.org. Just click on that link. You will be redirected to the next page. The next page would look like this. If you are downloading VirtualBox for your Windows 10 operating system, just click on Windows host. And if you are working on Linux, just click on Linux distributions. As of now, I am working on Windows, so I will click on Windows host. Once we will click on Windows host, it will automatically start downloading VirtualBox on our system. As of now, I have downloaded and installed, so I will pause the downloading. But it is just 103 MB. Just don't pause it. Wait for some time. Within fraction of seconds, it will be downloaded. And once it will download, just double click on it and give permissions to work it on your PC. Just click on next, and then finish. It's so simple to download and install VirtualBox. The second point is we need to download and install FreeBSD. For that, just open your favorite browser and type FreeBSD. The first link that will appear on your screen will be from freebsd.org. If you want to download it for our Windows 10, just click on download FreeBSD. You will be redirected to this page. On this page, they are mentioning like most of the users who are using FreeBSD will have either AMD 64 or AARCH 64 architecture. In our case, we will be downloading AMD 64. The second point is FreeBSD is available in different images like CD or DVD. In our case, we will be downloading a for CD, that is a disk 1. So just click on AMD 64. Once you will click on AMD 64, you will be redirected to this download page. As I told before, we will be downloading the CD image. So here on the screen, you can click on FreeBSD 13.0 release AMD 64 disk 1.iso. Once you will click on this link, it will start downloading automatically. It will take some time because FreeBSD is nearly 927 MB, that is 1 GB. So be patient. It will take some time, and once it will complete its download, then you can come back and we will start our next procedure. The next procedure is to link our FreeBSD with VirtualBox, that is installing of FreeBSD on our Windows 10 operating system using VirtualBox. For that purpose, just double click on Oracle VirtualBox, that whatever you have installed right now. The interface will look like this. On this interface, here is the new icon. Just click on that new icon. On the new icon, it will ask for the name. As of now, I will give the name as BSD. You can give the name whatever you want. After that, it will ask for machine folder. I will keep it by default because virtual machine is smart enough to detect its path by default. Then type, as we are downloading FreeBSD, so we will select the type as BSD, and my PC is working on 64-bit, so I will select the version as FreeBSD 64-bit. Once you are done with it, just click on next. Here it will ask for memory size. Here memory size is RAM size. In my case, I will allocate it 4 GB, that is 4096 MB. In your PC, if your PC is having 8 GB RAM, you can allocate 4 GB of RAM. And yeah, we can change the RAM even after allocating it. If you are done with your allocation of RAM, just click on the next tab. You will going to this window. It will ask for the hard disk. As of now, let the option by default as it is, that is create a virtual hard disk now. I will click on create, and as we have downloaded the disk image, so we should go with VirtualBox disk image. If the option is not selected by default, just click on this option and then go next. Second point is storage on physical hard disk. If we want to increase the capacity of the OS while working on that, so to increase our capacity, we should keep the option as dynamically allocated and not as fixed size. So choose the option as dynamically allocated and click on next tab. Once you will click on next tab, it will ask for file location and size. It will automatically detect the path, so I will not change the path. I will keep it is by default. Now the storage space, I will allocate the storage space as 10 GB. As we have already allocated it as dynamically, so once allocating after allocating it, we can change the storage space. So as of now, I will be keeping it as 10 GB only. Then I will click on create. Once I will click on create, the interface will change, and here you can see the option is showing BSD, that is powered off. Now we need to start the BSD, so just double click on that icon, that whatever is showing you on the interface, that is BSD. For first time opening, it will take some time, but be patient, it will surely open. Now it will ask for a startup disk. Right now we have downloaded ISO file, right? If the ISO file is not showing here, just click on that file icon and go to the ISO file whatever you have downloaded. As of now, it is showing me here only FreeBSD 13 release AMD 64 disk 1.iso. If it is not showing to you, click on add, and by clicking on that button, you can traverse to the location or the path where you have downloaded that. Right. After that, I will select FreeBSD 13 release as it has been shown me by default. I will click on choose, and I will click on start. Once I will click on start, it will show me some warning, that is auto capture is turned on. Just ignore that and just cancel it. After the starting, it is showing that auto booting, like it will take some time to boot, like nearly 10 seconds. Yeah, it has been started, and just wait for some time. It has been started for installing. The process will continue, and just ignore the warnings whatever you will be seeing on your screen, because we have kept our OS as bidirection, which means our keyboard and mouse will be detected by that OS also. So it's showing that warning only, nothing else. Now it will show the welcome, and we want to install it, right? So click on install and hit enter. After that, it is seeing for the files. Yeah, it has been gone. Now just as of we are first time users, right? So go with continue with a default key map. I will go with that. I will click on select and hit enter. Then it will ask me for the name. As of now, I will give the name as host. Then okay, I will hit enter. Then base system debugging, base DFG, I will do not change any of the option. I will just hit on enter. Then for partitioning of our disk, I will choose auto UFS, and then I will go ahead. Then I will click enter. Then by default all options, and yes, I will click on OK. Yeah, and the final step is finish, commit, and it is showing our progress, that is how much installation is completed. It will take some time to do all the stuff whatever it is having, as it is OS. That's why. Just wait, and it will download or install automatically. Yeah, it is the last library, that is lib32.txz. Once it will done, we will go to the next page. Overall progress is showing. Yeah, do not at this point just do not close the VirtualBox whatever is available on your screen, because it may corrupt some files from your PC, and you may need to reboot that. So just be patient, wait for some time. It will do its progress, and we will go ahead after that. And here you can see the process has been completed, and it is asking for a new password. Just give the password as a root user, whatever you want. I will give that password from my side. You can give the password whatever you want, but remember, the password will not be shown on the screen. That's why it is not visible to you all. Yeah, some password is wrong. I will retype it again. It will ask me for retype the password. I will retype it. Yeah, the password is okay, and just click on OK. Yes, yes. Just let the default option as it is, as you all are using first time. So it is good, always good to go by default option. Just click on yes, yes, and it is taking time for DHCP configuration and all the other networking stuff. So be patient and wait. It will start automatically. Yeah, I will click on OK. Sorry, I will again. Yeah, now it is asking me for the region. As I'm from India, so I will click as Indian Ocean, and you can select whatever you want. I will go with Asia. Then it will ask me for country. I will go with India. Click on OK. Then yeah, yes. I will skip the date and time. If you want to set, you can set, and let the other options like system configuration and other options, let it be by default. Just click on OK, OK, and yes. Now it is asking for the add user. Now I would like to add user as my name only, so I will take as R and D. Now it will ask me for the password. I will give the password. Sorry, full name. You can give whatever the name you want. I am giving the pass username as RD and full name as RD RR space DD. Now if it is asking for UID, I will hit enter for just by default. Login group, just hit enter if you want to don't give if you don't want to give anything to it, and just hit enter. It will give the by default things to it allocated to that part. Now just a random password. No. User password is empty. Yes. I will click on just yes. I will just type yes to finish the process. And yes, add another user. As of now, I will not add another user. If you want to add any another user, you can go ahead that. As of my case, I will just type no and I will hit enter. And I want to apply changes whatever we have done right now. So I will exit and click on OK. Once I will click on that, installation is now finished. Now it will ask me for the reboot. So I will hit enter and I will be rebooting the system. Just wait. It is taking some time. Yeah, it has been done. And for it will ask me for the rebooting. Yeah, it has been rebooted, and autobit will start in 6 7. Or what we can do, just click on cancel and power up the machine. Okay, it was asking us for reboot, right? So we have power up for the machine, and just close the VirtualBox. Now again open the VirtualBox. Just click on BSD and then settings. Yeah, here is the name. Whatever changes we have done, no, they all will be visible here. Now I will remove the disk image from here. Remove disk image, and then I will click on OK. Then now we are good to go for using BSD. Just double click on it. The virtual machine will start automatically. Yeah, it has been started. And yeah, as I told before also, just ignore the warnings whatever has been given to you, and just go ahead. It will start the machine virtual automatically. Yeah, you can see here autoboot will restart in just 10 seconds, so be patient. It will start. It is installing. It will take some time, so be patient and wait. Yeah, it will ask me for login. I will give my password here. Login and password. Sorry, incorrect password. I will retype it again. username and password. Yeah, host, password. And yeah, now you can see here my password and login is correct, and it has been showing me welcome to FreeBSD. And yes, we are good to go with whatever you want. I hope you have enjoyed this video and understand how we can download and install FreeBSD on our Windows 10 operating system using Oracle VirtualBox. Thank you.